Not all foot switch treadles are built the same. Some are plastic, some are metal, and that choice can affect more than just the looks. In this video, we're breaking down the key differences so you can pick the right one for your environment. My name is Hayden from Linemaster. Let's get switched. Alright, first, let's start with where the switch is going. In a heavy-duty industrial setting where tools might get dropped, metal treads can handle more abuse. In lighter-duty environments like a laboratory, plastics can be just as effective and often at a lower cost. Metal treadles add weight, which help keep you steady on the floor. Plastic treadles are lighter, which can be useful for more portable setups, but they may flex slightly. Both can work well if matched to the right application. Plastic and metal also react differently to chemicals. Plastic can degrade faster with harsh cleaning agents, while metal coatings may wear over time. Cost matters too. Plastic is usually less expensive, but for small custom color runs, the metal is often the better value. We're gonna do a little test here and see kind of how our switches hold up against a basic test that we can run here. We're gonna drop a heavy metal ball basically onto both switches and see how they hold up. After that, we're going to try a bit more extreme test. We're going to drop a 35-pound weight on top of it and see how that kind of goes. So just a bit more of a torture test just to show you kind of the immediate differences. The first one's going to be a bit more realistic, and then the second one's going to be just kind of like worst case scenario. So let's go take a look and see how that goes. All right, so we dropped a metal ball and we kind of destroyed the switches. So at first, you'll see the footage here. The metal ball cracked the plastic switch right away. First drop, did it again just to see it and correct it again. On the metal one, it did make a small little imperfection in the treadles, and you'll see that there as well. But really no mechanical issues. It's all gonna be fine. And then we moved over to a more extreme test where we did that 35-pound weight, and we really did a number on these switches here. So you can see plastic one, no longer micro switching. We got pieces of switch inside of it, and there. The metal one held up better and does not work anymore. So we kind of put it through its paces. Obviously this is a more extreme test than this one's designed and meant to handle, but just to kind of show you the durability of the metal versus the plastic, you can kind of see that in extreme scenarios, the metal is going to hold up a lot better. Hope that was helpful and it kind of helps you decide what maybe switch would be perfect for your environment. Again, it really depends on what your switches are going through and where they need to be and what they need to handle. My name is Hayden from Linemaster. Until next time, stay switched. Check out the full blog article to learn more. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay switched.